What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here the Sunday. This is April 13th 2025, team race number 6. Time runs have been completed. Went a 96.1 on our predicted 95 with the car, so that was good. And I believe we won the run for the money second day in a row with the truck, going 10.07.3 on our 10.06 dial. So that being said, time runs are done. We're getting ready to head into round number 1 in the truck. All right, let's go boys. He's got 11.0. All right, check it. Tow haul is on. My dial's good. Let's light it up.
Okay, you're close.
Yes.
Nice.
That was a good light too. That was pretty decent. That felt like about 40s. Get it off the center line here. 20. Oh, no. Run for the money winner. All right, after round 1 in the truck, had a bit of a delay due to a motorcycle crash. So praying for him. Hopefully he will end up being okay. Getting word we're back to racing. So about to head up for round number 1 in the Vega. Let's get a dial on it. Let's turn on a wind light.
Here's Nick Renstra and Alan Smith. Alan in the Chevelle, 67 Chevelle, 540 cubic inches. 638's the dial over there in the American Walk-In Cooler, the right-hand lane. Nick here in the Vega. He's in there 92.9, the Bull Lane with 697 dial.
Got a different generator sitting over there. Once again, thanks to Brian, the B Roadster, for the generator. We've been struggling with that generator all weekend. What a struggle. Now, broke parts on the generator. This is wild stuff. But truck and car both good. Getting ready. Head up for round 2 in the truck next.
Close, real close.
Nick Rinstra. He'll take that win as Kidd goes red by 1 thou.
My dial's right, windows are up, tow haul's on. Let's go. Is he going deep? No, he's keeping it.
Not deep.
Ooh, axle angle.
Nice.
Final, baby. Running it out. $23,500. That's perfect.
Nick Rinstra, 693, Omega left lane. Brittany Hinkle, 63 Chevy 2, 706 dial right lane. When they reach that 8th mile, Brittany is there first. One above with an 897 miles an hour.
Alright guys, still rolling in the truck up here for the final. Got it dialed in, ready to go. Sunday Super Pro Final. Alright guys, we had a great weekend here at Tucson Dragway. Great for the points. Ton of fun as always. Great event to all the Tucson Dragway crew. Thanks to Brian the Bee Roaster once again for the generator. That was a ton of help. We would have been dead in the water without him. So yeah, thanks to all the sponsors for helping out as well. Ton of fun. Thanks to the viewers checking out this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See ya in the next video. Bye for now.